So yeah, right here, as you guys can see, if you go and look on the Doppler radar, we're getting a pretty significant storm coming in here now. What do you think about doing some plowing?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, you want to come do some plowing?
Yeah.
All right, we're out here right now. It's 8:30 at night. We're gonna have to actually throw down some salt. We're getting this layer of ice here. I'll show you guys. So it's just this kind of little layer of ice right now that's building up. It's supposed to change over to snow within the next couple hours. I'm gonna get ahead of it right now and just throw some salt down, so let's do that. I want anybody to comment down below if anybody else using red salt. My salt's red this year. It's like that red Himalayan salt, but I'm not saying it's from the Himalayas, but it's red. It's all in the wrist, baby. It's all in the wrist. All right, so it is actually, I got up at 4 and to my surprise, we just got a bunch of kind of thick kind of layer of ice last night. It's now like kind of 4:45. What's happening now is they're saying that we're gonna get a bunch of snow after this. Still a lot of unknowns, but it's early. We're heading in and we're getting after it. And it's storm season, baby. It's storm season, baby. Ow! Keep everything plugged in for the winter just because it gets super chilly. Whew, look at that ice. Nice. And one other thing, I've been running the BF All-Terrains now that I'm driving the Duramax. I gotta say, they're amazing winter tires. Oh yeah, it's scraping. Okay, so a little progress. We just had salt show up. The thing about doing the salt, we gotta go to Tim Hortons. The thing about doing the salt is it's awesome and it works great, but it's super expensive. Because it's so super expensive, it actually kind of makes less sense to salt because I know I'm just gonna have to plow again, right? So I would essentially just be laying down really expensive salt and then literally pushing it all into a pile and it becomes useless. So I'm glad that he did show up with a grit kind of salt mix. 125 liters of the good stuff. Am I right? Okay, so it's about 3.5 hours later than the last time I saw you guys. Holy shit, it is bad out here right now. Wow. I gotta drop off security camera that was frozen. What I'll do is end up going home, getting some lunch, hang around there for a couple hours, get some computer work done, and then come back to the storage this afternoon, clean up whatever mess, and then tonight they're calling for 10 centimeters of snow. So this is a long haul winter storm documentary series, and I was contemplating breaking this up into parts, but I think that the whole kind of story of the storm makes more sense if it's all together. I don't want to leave you guys with just like scraping ice footage, you know? We got to get that snow, that plow, and anyway, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll probably catch back up with you guys this afternoon. While I'm gone, just, you know, stay put, like the video, subscribe, tell your friends. Right on. I think it's 4.5 hours since I saw you guys last. We got about, I would say, another good 8 to 10 centimeters of like ice pellety, I'm gonna call it sleet stuff. So we need to fire up the skid steer. Whoa, frozen at the bottom. so bad. Oh, why hello. Wow, hopefully I can push this. Come on, baby. Holy shit. I got to lift up a bit to make it around this corner. Man, that's heavy. That's really heavy. Okay, I make big pile of snow go boom boom. Okay, watch. Ladies and gentlemen, that was the wow factor. Wow factor. But definitely catch you guys in the morning. It's been a long friggin' day. This is already hour 14 now of plowing today. Awesome day plowing. It's always fun to get out, and I'm really looking forward to getting up tomorrow. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve. So I'll catch you guys in the morning. Okay, bye. Day 2, we got snow. We got enough of it too. Probably a good almost 10 centimeters overnight. Gotta fire up the truck. All right, let's get a coffee. Good early morning. Hopefully last early morning. I shouldn't say that. Not hopefully early last morning. Holy spanks at my house. So I'm just leaving the house now. I got up around 4 and it's about 4:45 now. And we're gonna go meet Al. I got my Christmas wish of a lot of snow. It's a beautiful, beautiful morning. This video is going to be a beast. This has been a over 24-hour storm. But yeah, and it's New Year's Eve now, so get some plowing done, baby. Plowing, baby, yeah! We're gonna fire up the skid steer in the backhoe. Al's not here yet, but I assure you, he is coming in. Come on, baby. There we go. All right, the 24-hour storm, everything that has happened up until now has led to this point. We got everything fired up. It's a beautiful, snowy New Year's Eve here today, guys. But first, let's have another coffee. All right, well, we're still waiting for Al here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of shovel up this stuff. All right, Al showed up here now. We got the GoPro mounted on, and we're gonna start plowing at this stuff. Al, say g'day.
Hey, how's it going?
All right, we're gonna get plowing here. Okay, you do your first strip up. First pass is done. It's scraping up nice. All right, we're gonna start on these doors. Start here. I was gonna try the blower because it's right at that temperature, but I'm not too sure. But either way, we gotta get these doors done, so let's get after it. That was for Corey. It's a lightsaber. How's it going, Corey? All right, guys, so, and girls, just wrapped up doing 240 doors plus emergency exits, everything else. Now what we do is Al goes around and he wing rows all the stuff that we pulled out from the doors, and then I just go down in there and clean the rest up. We still got the whole back section that we got to do. I like filming the time lapses for those kind of from up top. It gives a good perspective on it, so that's what we'll do.
Wake up. See the sky, see the clouds amongst the sun. See the day for everything it could be. Stop treading on that snooze button, run. Wake up. Open your eyes and see everything it was, and is and will be all at once. See the truth, don't hide from others' love. Bask inside that alarm clock bug. We metaphysical. I alone am 10 people on the blunt. It's a physical. You're always dying and your death has yet to come. Open your eyelids. Swear outside of this lucid dream will come a silence. So keep dreaming, babies, and stay woke. But keep scheming, babies. Oh, it's a tidal wave of iPads. And an alt-right pirate with an eye patch. And a lip Cyclops that won't shut up about his climax. A boy with daddy issues on a shock value tyrant. On a cotton candy island with a native speaking oh no. My self-hatred's on a subconscious rampage. While I'm naked giving speeches front of boys who have a man cave. Keep falling out my page while I'm ranting. This is sitcom TV ending. This is sitcom TV ending.
First time plowing. All right, man, it feels like this isn't it feels like it shouldn't even be the end. This has been such a long process, this storm. There was a lot of different stages. We started with ice, then we got freezing rain, and then we got sleet and ice pellets, and then it moved to this, which was snow. So I want to thank a bunch of people, as well as I want to put this in here. I want to thank Brandon from Elite Earthworks. I'll put his channel description in the link down below. He's been really supportive this year to kind of like tally up and summarize the year. It's been an amazing year. I know I already kind of talked about it, but I want to thank him because he honestly, he's always been super supportive, and he's one of the very few other construction channels that I actually watch. So thank you, Brandon, and thank you guys for watching these videos. Hopefully you guys are celebrating, having an awesome time tonight, bringing in the new year. So that wraps it up for me. I gotta go to the office right now and edit up all this footage and get it ready for you guys, so you guys are watching it right now. So thank you guys for watching the entire video. I appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Catch you in 2020.
Just do what you want to. Please don't be polite.
And no, I didn't forget about you guys, the True Patriots channel that watched the entire videos to the very end, which is right now. And we haven't done this in the last couple videos, but guys, if you are a True Patriot, I want you to comment down below, Happy New Year. I know it has nothing to do with the storm, but guys, honestly, I want you to have an awesome Happy New Year. Thank you for everything you guys have done for me, all you guys who watch the videos and support. So if you watch the entire video to the very end, comment down below, Happy New Year. I appreciate you guys, and we'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
Around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end.